Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can fix your WhatsApp. So if your WhatsApp is not working properly, I would suggest you to check your internet because sometimes slow internet as well causes this problem. And if the internet is not the problem, then what I need to do is check WhatsApp for updates. So just go to your app store and search for WhatsApp to see if there's any update. So my WhatsApp says open, that means it's up to date. But if it shows update instead of open, I need to update my WhatsApp. So if your WhatsApp is up to date and your internet is not the problem, then the problem could be that WhatsApp servers are down. So to check if WhatsApp servers are down or not, just go into your Safari browser and search for is WhatsApp down detector. Once you search for is WhatsApp down detector, the first option down detector, click on it and it's going to show you, and it says user report indicates no problem at WhatsApp, which means WhatsApp servers are not down and there is no problem. The problem is on our device. So if you're getting this issue, then the way to fix it is just go inside your phone setting and scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see the option called WhatsApp and click on WhatsApp. Once you click on WhatsApp, make sure your contacts is on and your camera is on as well. And where it says photos, make sure you click all photo because sometimes you don't provide some of this feature to WhatsApp. That's why it causes the bug. So make sure this is on and your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then I would suggest you to go inside your setting and this time go on where it says general. And on general, click on where it says iPhone storage. Now from over here, wait for some time until WhatsApp loads up. Once this loads up, search for WhatsApp. So as you guys can see, I'm searching for WhatsApp, and once you find WhatsApp, click on it. Over here, click on offload app and click on offload and your WhatsApp will be offloaded. Once its offloading is done, click on reinstall app and your WhatsApp will be reinstalled. Now open your WhatsApp and start using it. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, the last option is to just delete the WhatsApp and reinstall it again. This will reset your WhatsApp setting, but this will help you, make your WhatsApp run or work properly again. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.